everyone. I A. Kalavati, lecturer in Mechanical Engineering Department. Last class we have seen benefits of CAD. Today we will see more detail about that benefits. So it is used in design procedure also to convert standard format, uniformity in design procedures. For calculations, it is very easy to calculate, and if they want to adjust anywhere or give, suppose the nut size to increase or bolt size to increase, in this we can increase or decrease the sizes or the shapes. Now design procedures can be converted to standard format. Standard format means length, millimeters or inches. So we can convert that standard format also. Uniform in design procedure possible. Uniformity means same. Uniformity means same procedure or same level of designing. We can see in that. Next benefits, high quality drawings are possible. High quality drawings means what? So, like suppose if we're drawing dams or bridges, like thing, if they want any changes or if you want to take some of the parts from that, we can change that also. More number of drawing viewports. In a single sheet we can see many drawings. Next, realistic 3D images. 3D images also we can see easily. Next, benefits in manufacturing. Manufacturing side also we can send that drawing sheets or through mail or through, nowadays we are using WhatsApp also. Now integrating CAD/CAM database is generated. What is that? Tools and fixtures. Tools and fixture design means tools, some tools like only nut or only bolts if they give any size. Like that also we can draw single parts as a 2D or 3D. Next, part programming. Programming also we can write for run the machine like lathe machine or milling machine. If we draw, first we'll draw, then we'll see in the manufacturing, then we'll see manual part programming for that. If it is success in manual part program, then we'll go to manufacturing side to, we'll send this drawings. Computer programming, there we should write G codes, M codes, and we should write a program for that. Next, computer aided process planning. Computer aided process planning means there should be a process and planning to, like first designing, then the manual part programming, then writing programming, then it is sending to manufacturing. These all are processing planning. Next, computer aided inspection. After all this work, there will be inspection. Whether a given size is equal or given shape is correct or not. These all to check. They also do inspection. That is called computer aided inspection. Now we have finished the benefits of CAD. Now we will go to stages of designing process. So there are different stages in designing also. First is recognized of need. Recognize of need means in that other two parts are there: modify the existing product and creating a new product. Modifying the existing product which we have done already, that we will be modifying. Then next, creating a new product also can be drawn and we can modify. That also is called recognizing of a need. Then definition of a problem. So definition of problem is what? Through specification or product etc be designed. Definition of a problem is if any problem is getting by any particular, like in designing or size or some nut size is high or low, like that we can change the specification for that, like M30, giving M30, M25 bolt size, nut size, like this. Next, stages of design process. Synthesis, interactive phases in design process. Interactive design process means what? Interactive means whether the design is suitable for what we are doing, whether it suits or not. We'll check like that. It is called interactive phases. So, analyzing and optimization. The entire overall system is conceptualized, reduced, utilize in optimize with the constant impose. Means what? While checking the inspections, what we do, each and everything will see whether it is running properly, whether it is sitting properly in a where we have to so keep that one. All this we'll see. So the specifications include physical and functional characters, cost, quality, all this will be checking in this. Next, evaluation, meaning, design, specification, aids is definition. So measuring, designing, evaluation, these all come in evaluation. Here we'll see measuring, designing, how we have designed, is it correct at a given what they have given the dimension, we have we done that particularly or not, we'll check in this. Synthesizes, analyzes, phases, that like that different phases are there. In stages is nothing but different stages, 1 2 3 different. In each stage it will work in separate work. In each stage it takes one work takes place. Okay, so by this today class I will be ending. We'll see in next class.